Okay, friends, you have to see that. Right now, I'm in the middle of the fresh fruits and vegetables market in Dubai, the United Arab Emirates. See what they put in front of the store. The flag of Israel, the flag of the UAE together, full fruits. But wait until you see that. You can see they put Israeli product, see, with the flag of Israel on it. You can buy oranges and avocado and other stuff with the flag of Israel. I'm just thinking about all these BDS activists who want to boycott Israel from Europe, from the United States, and to see an Arab country who is giving the answer by bringing Israeli products with Israeli flags. Wait, we'll see the avocado and the dates, and to see the people are coming and buying, and it's in the front of the store, not on the backstage, in the front of the store. That's the answer that an Arab country is given to all these BDS activists around the world who are calling to boycott Israel.